Hey there, my name is Chris Cohen, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of HomeDiary, which is a platform for the home and a virtual tour company. And I figured, I might as well take my 20 years of experience and help others like yourself and transfer some of the knowledge I've gained over the years to help you along with your homeownership journey. And so this is the first of many videos I hope to create to impart some of that knowledge that's in my brain and that some of the tools that we built to help showcase how you can use information and technology to make your homeownership journey better, more effective, and ultimately make it more profitable for you as a homeowner. So in this episode, we're going to talk about solar. And in my specific case, I think the way we did solar can help me make over $1 million over time. So I'd like to talk about what we did, why we did it, and with the company we recommend. So stay tuned for that. But before we get there, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been doing real estate marketing for about 20 years now as the CEO of HomeDiary, which is a company I founded. I have bought 5 homes. I've sold 4 of them, made close to $1.8 million in gross profits from those homes. So I've had a lot of interesting times, including some seller non-disclosure issues that I will impart some knowledge on in one of my videos coming down the road. My parents have been in real estate for 35 plus years. They just retired the last couple of years selling real estate up until their 80s. So real estate has really been in my blood, which has kind of driven me into doing what I did. And I figured what better way to help folks like yourself than to create a series of videos to help educate and impart some of this knowledge that's in my brain, that's in our platform, that I think can get out there in a much better way, because it's a pretty robust platform and it just needs to be seen more. So here we go. This is episode 1. It's about why go solar, and here's our story.